Hi, my name is Dr. Bridget.
Hi, my name is Dr. Allen.
Welcome to our practice in New York City, Maison BE. One of the first steps that we took was to find a space that we really loved.
And one day, Bridget actually calls me on my cell phone and says, Ellen, I found the space.
It was love at first sight, and then we got to building.
We're so happy to have you here.
You've been here from the beginning. Isn't it crazy this is how it ended up?
Insane. The place is perfect.
When we decided to do a startup, we called Alan, since Alan was a very long-time friend. Alan set up the expectations for us and the timeline, and he introduced us to all the vendors.
I knew that they knew the type of brand for the practice that they always wanted. When they found this location, it really was just very fitting for what they were trying to accomplish.
We really wanted our patients to feel like they have entered a home where they can feel comfortable and safe so that they can experience dentistry in luxury.
We had a dream, we had a vision. 5 months later, we have this beautiful home.
Maison is a house from French, and BE is for Bridget and Ellen.
When we were thinking about the design of the practice, we really wanted it to have the vibe of a French apartment, which is why Maison was perfect, and we want to welcome all of our patients into our home. We never wanted to have a quote-unquote waiting area because our patients are not really waiting, they're just coming here to get checked in. We really see one patient at a time, and we don't want anyone waiting for us.
This is a smart consult room. We bring their digital images on this TV, and we can have a discussion and educate them on what's going on and what results they'd like to achieve.
The digital technology is extremely helpful for us to be able to relay the information to the patients. It also is easier for us to diagnose certain things like cavities and catch them early. We can eliminate things like impressions and truly just facilitate an easy, comfortable experience.
I know that you guys are really hyped about what you did with your custom bathroom.
Our bathroom is actually our favorite part of the entire office.
We designed this wallpaper based on two of our favorite things. One being jewelry, hence the chain. Two being teeth, obviously.
Why the doors?
It's also part from the architectural point of the French design to have the arches.
The other thing that we love about arches is that we work on upper and lower arches all day long. So we really wanted to incorporate arches into our design.
Well, it turned out great.
The equipment that we chose from Henry Schein was really important for us to be able to create an easy digital workflow for the comfort of our patients. One of our absolute must-haves was to have a beautiful yet comfortable dental chair because that is where the patient is going to be spending most of their time with us.
And we chose to have a minimalistic approach without the catheter and overhead light, so it makes it more comfortable for the patient.
I knew that patient comfort was priority number one. When we build offices, we want to make sure that the amount of space that they have is productive. There was a different vision that the doctors wanted to have, again, having a more spacious and comfortable environment for the patients. So we ended up actually doing 4 operatories in this very large space. I love that you guys picked out the highest end chairs with custom stitching, upholstery, and a lot of the higher end technology integrated. Can you tell me a little bit about patient experience and why you guys decided to go with the EMS airflow system?
It's a great polisher. It polishes the teeth without actually damaging the tooth surface.
We do a lot of cosmetic restorations with porcelain, and this is the safest way to clean porcelain.
I know you guys have the TVs on the ceilings, actually.
When patients come in and they lay down in the chair, they can watch TV, making the whole experience very comfortable.
And we have them wearing the noise canceling headphones.
You guys really have it all.
Patients are very phobic being in dental office, so what we did is we created a comfort menu that actually helps them to feel more comfortable in the chair.
CBD drops, pillows.
Headphones, Netflix and drill.
Exactly. We want them to feel like they're at the spa at the same time as getting high-end dentistry.
As we get over to sterilization here, I love the open concept, good flow for sterilization.
Dirty packing to eventually clean.
It really helps your staff out and looks great for patients.
Quattro Care, every time we use the handpieces on the patients, we actually does the lubrication of the handpieces and it prolongs longevity. This is the M11 mid-mark autoclave.
It's actually super easy to use. We can sterilize our instruments very quickly. We love organization and we love efficiency.
The reason the doctors expressed interest to open the practice, I think, was largely based on their standard of care. The way that they treat their patients, the amount of knowledge that they bring to the practice really speaks to how they came about with Maison BE.
Just from the moment you walk into the office, from the scent that you smell, from the high ceilings, from the little attentions to details, it was like a dream came true. It was everything that we envisioned, and it was absolutely fabulous.
And we decided that we're going to be moving in full time. We truly feel like we're home here, and we see that it resonates with our patients as well.
When patients come to the dental office, they're all trying to run out. When patients come into our practice, they actually want to stay and they don't want to leave.
All right, Alan, we are so happy that you came to see the office, and you are not allowed to leave Maison BE until the three of us take a selfie.